As the world faces its most serious challenge for generations, a select group of people are protecting us from disaster, keeping us moving, keeping us connected, healthy, warm, safe, alive. And to these people, we owe an immeasurable thank you. To pay them back, we make a promise that we'll be right there alongside you, supporting your incredible efforts whenever you need us, making ourselves available to you, and always aiming to give you more. So, when the situation changes, we'll be ready to help the world come back stronger, to set the wheels of progress in motion once more, to work with partners old and new, businesses of all shapes and sizes, unsung heroes everywhere, to reconnect, regenerate, rebuild together.